What do you do when you feel like you have been used, betrayed, or cheated? The first instinct is to feel hurt, angry, or maybe cry. But what you do after that is more important. Let me explain. Let's assume कि ये आप हो और आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है जिसकी वजह से आपको लगा that you have been used. Now, if you keep telling that story in your mind, or if you keep sharing that thing with other people, then every time you portray yourself as the victim, you are strengthening your identity of being a victim. We like to do this because we get a lot of attention, we get a lot of sympathy, and this in turn makes us feel good. But here's what's actually happening. Now, in the universe, there are many different experiences. And when you are telling this story to yourself and others every time, you are strengthening the vibration of being in this victim mode. So, out of all the different experiences that exist in the universe, you will attract the specific experience that relates to being a victim. Let me explain this through a very simple example. आप सबने रेडियो सुना ही होगा. तो मान लीजिए कि हमने रेडियो पे 93.5 की फ्रीक्वेंसी पर ट्यून इन किया. Now when you tune in to this frequency, what you are saying is कि इस फ्रीक्वेंसी पर जो भी चीज़ें हो रही है मुझे वो सुननी है out of all the radio stations. So what comes back is the songs and the advertisements that are playing on this frequency. अब वापस यहाँ पर आते हैं. When you are tuning into this frequency, constantly telling yourself, telling everybody, telling the universe that I am the victim, you are communicating कि मुझे इस frequency पर जो भी चीज़ें हो रही है वो चाहिए. So don't be surprised when you do this continuously and the situation keeps on repeating itself. अगर आप ये स्टोरी को लेकर चल रहे हो तो you will be used again, you will be cheated again, you will be betrayed again because you did not learn from the experience and just stayed with the identity of being a victim.